The Boeing 747 is one of the most famous and recognizable aircraft in the world. It is often called the Queen of the Skies because of its massive size, elegant design, and long service history. When it first entered service, it completely transformed the aviation industry. The aircraft made long-distance air travel more accessible and affordable for millions of people. Its distinctive hump-shaped upper deck makes it stand out from all other commercial airplanes. Even today, the sight of a Boeing 747 inspires awe and respect among aviation enthusiasts and travelers around the globe. The idea for the Boeing 747 was born in the 1960s when global air travel was rapidly expanding. Airlines needed a larger aircraft that could carry more passengers across longer distances efficiently. Boeing accepted the challenge and began designing what would become the world's first jumbo jet. The project was ambitious and risky, requiring new engineering solutions and massive financial investment. Engineers worked tirelessly to develop an aircraft that had never been seen before. Their efforts resulted in a revolutionary airplane that changed the way people traveled internationally forever. The Boeing 747 made its first flight in 1969, marking a historic milestone in aviation history. Observers were amazed that such a large aircraft could fly so smoothly and gracefully. At the time, it was the largest passenger aircraft ever built. Its impressive wingspan, length, and height set new records in commercial aviation. Powered by 4 high-thrust engines, the aircraft demonstrated remarkable performance and stability. After successful testing, airlines quickly placed orders, and the Boeing 747 soon began operating on major international routes worldwide. One of the most distinctive features of the Boeing 747 is its upper deck, located behind the cockpit. This raised section gives the aircraft its iconic hump appearance. Originally, this space was designed as a lounge area for first-class passengers, offering luxury and comfort. Later, airlines converted it into additional seating space to increase capacity. The hump design also allowed for a front cargo door in freighter versions. This forward-thinking design made the aircraft highly versatile, capable of serving both passenger and cargo roles efficiently. The Boeing 747 is equipped with 4 powerful engines that provide the thrust necessary to lift its enormous weight into the sky. Despite its size, the aircraft is capable of high cruising speeds and long non-stop flights. Its impressive range allowed airlines to operate direct routes between continents, reducing the need for stopovers. This innovation significantly shortened travel times and improved convenience for passengers. By enabling long-haul travel on a larger scale, the Boeing 747 played a key role in connecting distant parts of the world more efficiently. Over the decades, several variants of the Boeing 747 were developed, including the 747-100, 747-200, 747-400, and the modern 747-8. Each new version introduced technological improvements and greater efficiency. The 747-400 became particularly popular due to its advanced glass cockpit and improved fuel economy. Winglets were added to reduce drag and enhance performance. Airlines favored this model for long-haul international flights because it offered a perfect balance between capacity, reliability, and operating efficiency. Beyond passenger service, the Boeing 747 became a leader in cargo transportation. The freighter version features a nose that swings open, allowing oversized cargo to be loaded easily. This unique capability made it extremely valuable for transporting heavy machinery, vehicles, and large equipment. Logistics companies around the world continued to rely on 747 freighters for global shipping operations. Its spacious fuselage and strong structural design make it ideal for handling heavy loads while maintaining long-range performance and reliability. The Boeing 747 has also played an important role in government and national operations. The aircraft used as Air Force One by the United States President is a specially modified Boeing 747. These planes are equipped with advanced communication systems, security technology, and defensive capabilities. This demonstrates that the Boeing 747 is more than just a commercial aircraft. It is also a symbol of power and prestige. Its presence at international airports often represents authority and national pride. Passenger comfort was significantly enhanced by the Boeing 747's wide-body design. The spacious cabin allowed airlines to introduce multiple aisles, making movement easier during long flights. First-class and business-class cabins were designed with luxury in mind, offering greater privacy and comfort. Even economy class benefited from the wider cabin layout. For many travelers, flying on a Boeing 747 became a memorable experience. The aircraft set new standards for long-haul travel comfort and redefined expectations for international air journeys. The Boeing 747 also transformed airline economics. By carrying hundreds of passengers on a single flight, airlines reduced the cost per seat. This made international travel more affordable for the general public. Tourism industries flourished as more people gained access to overseas destinations. Business travel also expanded significantly, strengthening global trade relationships. In many ways, the Boeing 747 contributed not only to aviation, but also to the globalization of economies and cultures around the world. Safety has always been a top priority in the design and operation of the Boeing 747. The aircraft was built with multiple redundant systems to ensure reliability in emergency situations. Advanced navigation and monitoring systems assist pilots throughout every phase of flight. Strict maintenance procedures are followed by airlines to maintain optimal performance. Over decades of service, the Boeing 747 established a strong reputation for safety and durability. Its engineering design reflects Boeing's commitment to building dependable aircraft. From an engineering perspective, the Boeing 747 is considered a masterpiece of aerodynamic design. Its swept-back wings reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency at high cruising speeds. The aircraft was constructed using lightweight yet durable materials to balance strength and performance. Engineers carefully calculated every structural detail to ensure stability at high altitudes. This combination of innovation and precision allowed the aircraft to perform efficiently despite its massive size and weight. During the 1970s and 1980s, the Boeing 747 became a common sight at major international airports. Its large size and four-engine configuration symbolized technological advancement and modern progress. For airlines, owning a fleet of Boeing 747 aircraft became a sign of prestige and success. The aircraft represented the golden age of air travel, when flying was often seen as glamorous and exciting. Passengers frequently admired the aircraft even before boarding it. The cockpit of the Boeing 747 evolved significantly over time. Early versions featured traditional analog instruments, while later variants introduced digital displays and advanced avionics. The 747-400's glass cockpit reduced the need for a flight engineer, allowing a smaller crew to operate the aircraft. This modernization improved efficiency and reduced operational costs. Technological upgrades ensured that the aircraft remained competitive for decades in a rapidly evolving aviation industry. On long-haul routes connecting Asia, Europe, and North America, the Boeing 747 became a flagship aircraft. Its extended range and passenger capacity made it ideal for intercontinental flights. Journeys that once required multiple stops could now be completed non-stop. This efficiency shrank the world, bringing distant countries closer together. The Boeing 747 became a symbol of global connectivity and international mobility. In humanitarian missions, the Boeing 747 freighter has played a vital role. During natural disasters, it has transported emergency supplies, medical equipment, and relief materials to affected regions. Its large cargo capacity allows organizations to deliver aid quickly and efficiently. Governments and humanitarian agencies value the aircraft's reliability in urgent situations.
the 747's versatility ensures it can adapt to both commercial and emergency operations. Production of the Boeing 747 continued for over 50 years. Throughout its lifespan, improvements were made to enhance efficiency, reduce emissions, and modernize systems. However, as newer twin-engined aircraft became more fuel-efficient, demand for four-engined jets gradually declined. Despite this shift, the Boeing 747 secured its place in aviation history as one of the most influential aircraft ever built. The Boeing 747-8 represents the most advanced version of the aircraft. It features improved engines, enhanced aerodynamics, and a longer fuselage. These improvements increased fuel efficiency and passenger capacity. Some airlines used the 747-8 as their flagship aircraft, showcasing its advanced design and luxury.